Yeah, say I like those noodles. That's your favorite, isn't it? You see the house? Say they've been working on it. Oh, got a noodle kiss. Yeah, are those delicious noodles? This is not a whole lot better than just playing outside and eating some noodles, huh? Yeah. And having sister with us.
Fly out this Friday for my anniversary trip with my wife to Mexico, and I still haven't gotten a
Good morning, beautiful people.
Good morning, guys.
We are in a bit of a predicament and we're trying to get this figured out because we are actually having our 19th anniversary in like a week and a half or so.
Yeah, we leave this weekend.
We're supposed to leave this weekend for an anniversary trip. We're going to Cancun. We did one of those like all-inclusive resorts to just go for a few days, just be able to relax. We haven't done this kind of trip. Usually when we do vacations, it's like packed full of a lot of activities and hi Minky. And so we were like, this time we really want to just be able to relax, fully relax for a few days. But Steven and Linky's wanting to say hi. A kiss too?
I gotta get a kiss.
Okay. Go, that was such a good kiss. But Steven needed to get an expedited passport because his had expired, and so he applied for that weeks ago, and it still hasn't come in.
Yeah, we had not planned to go internationally, and so I was like, oh, I've got time. And then we chose to go internationally, and I was like, shoot! And so like,
it's like a really, really good, like all-inclusive kind of deal. So we were like, this would be super easy and relaxing. But we're trying to figure it out. So he's been on the phone all day long trying to track down where his passport is, or if he needs to go into an office and try to get one like really quickly. I don't know.
It's so frustrating, guys, because
a little nerve-wracking now that we are like a few days away from leaving. But on a good note, we have been having a really good weekend. It's Monday now, but Reese has been with us all weekend, and she's actually going back to Florida here in just a few hours. So we've been making the most with some family time, and just it's so beautiful outside. So we've been just kind of hanging out outside. But we do have an exciting thing that's happened with the house since the last time you guys saw us. Most of the roof is on, guys. I'm so excited. The shingles look so good. They just have a little bit to complete over here, and then they are going to be putting some black metal roofing on the awnings over here to make that look really nice, and then they will be getting started on all of the siding, the white siding and some white brick, and so it's really going to be coming together soon. I'm so excited to see the house starting to really take shape and actually be looking like a house instead of a construction zone. So that's really encouraging, seeing some of these bigger things starting to happen, and I just can't wait to see the siding on it. I think it's just going to look so beautiful. Are you tired? I think he's about ready for nap time. Do you want to go inside and take a little rest? Someone is about ready for nap time, but it's so nice out here. I don't want to go in. And Reese just pulled out the chocolate, which is the best kind of chocolate. Have you guys tried this? What kind is it?
Chocolate XOXO.
Yeah, the brand XOXO. They have a chocolate peanut butter.
Choco Love.
Choco Love. This one right here, guys, the Choco Love salted peanut butter milk chocolate is so good. One more kiss from Lincoln. Lincoln clearly approves because he's giving out kisses right and left. That was yummy, wasn't it, Linky? Who wants to take naps when you can eat chocolate outside instead, right, guys? Like, of course we're gonna choose that.
Mom.
Yeah. You're showing them your new straps. So we got some new straps for his braces because the other ones were falling off of him, so we had to get some reinforcements. But those are better, huh?
Whoa.
What do you see? So everything's looking so lush. It's so green and full.
Well, apart from the crazy allergies, it is a stunning day outside. So the girls went to take a walk before we take Reese back to the airport. And I stayed back because I have way too much work to do. Apart from getting a dadgum passport for our trip this weekend, I'm also trying to work on our short form storytelling. Like, I feel like we've been doing YouTube for 3.5 years now. We're pretty good at telling the long form, stories, but I'm not so great at the short form stuff, and like all the social medias are, you know, trying to push that under 60-second kind of thing, and I feel like I've got a lot of room to grow in that. And so I'm super thankful to Skillshare for sponsoring this video, because Skillshare is a learning community with thousands of classes for creators like me to inspire, to train, to equip on how to do things better. They've got cooking, they've got marketing, they've got, you know, social media, all that. And the class that really caught my attention it's by a girl named Halise, and it's called Tell an Engaging Story in Under a Minute. So I saw it and I said, bingo, that's what I need. So I've been taking that class. I'm super thankful that we get to partner with them, because we also get to offer you guys, for our first 1,000 viewers who use our link and use our code, you're gonna get a free month of Skillshare. So if you want to invest in yourself, if you want to learn, if you want to grow in your craft or learn a new craft, Skillshare is great. And so click that link. We're gonna learn together, guys. It's gonna be awesome.
It's about that time. So Reese is going to be needing to head to the airport in a minute.
Yeah.
Let me see. And Ethan's going to be getting off the bus actually in like 5 minutes. So we were going to get him from the bus stop and let him come with us, because I know he's going to be really sad to say bye to you too. So, but we have just a couple of weeks, and then we'll be down in Florida this summer, the beginning of summer. So that'll be nice. It's going to be okay.
5 minutes later.
Probably thinks I'm like the biggest crybaby ever.
No.
Shut up! You are so mean. She goes, you are.
Look at those tears.
This is all for clickbait. I'm all acting right now. No, this is not real. I don't actually cry. I don't actually cry.
No, never.
Everything's making you young.
You want to go with us to the airport, Ethan? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Candy-filled eggs.
Candy-filled eggs. Here, show me. So.
Yeah, we bought those for you.
Yeah. Yeah, they might be kind of melted. So this is one of the things that we bought for Easter, and it got separated from the rest of them, and it was just sitting in the back of our vehicle here. So it might be kind of melted, but we'll go ahead and see. It says the candy-filled Star Wars eggs, right? That's pretty cool. Let's see.
Oh.
What's in it?
They're like little
Oh, it's not chocolate?
Yodas.
Okay. That's so funny. They're little Yodas. Hard to say goodbye.
It is.
Though.
It's only a matter of time.
So we'll be down there with her.
Yeah. Lucy, we're home. Hi guys, we're back at the RV from dropping off Reese at the airport. Kiddos are over here checking out some mail we got in from kind of some pretty cool cards or something like that. The girls are watching a little bit of Gilmore Girls. What'd you say, buddy?
To my dad.
To my dad. Oh, it's like early Father's Day stuff. That's fun. Coming off of Mother's Day. Hey, buddy. But we're trying to figure out what to do for dinner tonight before Penny goes to Taekwondo, which you're killing it, by the way.
I know.
We didn't film her last test, but she got her yellow belt now.
I did.
Already yellow belting it.
Super cool.
on our way to High Yellow very quickly. Liam's actually spending the week at the grandparents this week.
Yeah.
Not the weekend, the week.
Yeah,
this
the
whole
week.
Yeah. So we dropped him off whenever we were there for Mother's Day.
For Mother's Day.
And
it's like a big day of, or a big week of testing for
Yeah.
finals and that kind of thing. And my
Yeah.
dad is like a genius math guy. And
he's
so
maybe the
gonna
smartest
be,
guy I know
Yeah,
in the world.
he's gonna be working with Liam. He like helped him so much at the beginning of the school year, just kind of getting started. And also he's like really excited about fishing. My dad's a big fisher,
Yes.
so they're gonna kind of spend the week.
They're gonna
having
get a
some bro
lot of
time.
like grandpa grandson time. I
Yeah.
think your mom's going on like a trail ride and stuff.
Yeah, my mom's gonna be gone, so it's
Yeah.
gonna be like cool guy time for him.
Yeah.
He's really excited about that.
Yeah.
But he's actually ready to do another belt testing for Taekwondo too,
Yeah.
so that'll probably be coming up here pretty
Yeah,
quickly.
for sure.
But
So-
we're actually really stressed, guys, because he like called around all afternoon about trying to like expedite another passport, something that you can.
Yeah.
We've heard like you can do it in like 48 hours if you just like pay a fee and you go in personally. But apparently there have been some things that have kind of changed, and it's like
Well, everything because of COVID is like slower
Yeah.
and more hoops to jump through.
Yeah.
And it's just kind of frustrating. So we may be needing to like
we might have to cancel.
pivot, and
Okay.
go somewhere.
I'm just so
Go
sad because
somewhere
like
else.
I'm so looking forward to this like
Yeah.
kind of beach vacation for
Yeah.
a few days, but if we have to cancel, it won't be the end of the world. Like
Yeah.
I'm trying to not like just get too worked up about it, but
But we're not
we-
gonna like cancel. We're just gonna pick a different place
somewhere
that's
else that's-
inside the states.
Yeah, yeah. There are a couple places that we have wanted to go that's like in the U.S.
Yeah.
that we've talked about for a few years, and like the schedules have never lined up, so we could always
Yeah.
do one of those.
Yeah.
And I think that our hotel says like within 48 hours.
I think it's I
of
think
booking,
it's
like, you can cancel. So
Which is I'm having such a hard time with that because I'm like, whoa, we're gonna have to make a decision like before. But what if my passport comes in at the last minute? And,
yeah, maybe we could like rebook it. I don't know.
but I don't know.
This is
We'll
just
see.
yeah. This,
It's sort of disappointing, but we do have a whole summer of really rad travel coming up with the fam.
Yeah.
We've just been confirming like some fun collabs we're going to be doing over the summer and
Yes.
places we're going to be able to go over the summer.
there's a
It's
couple
gonna
I
be
can't
really-
talk about yet, but like we're so excited because a few things just got
guys.
confirmed, and
So
the kids are
excited.
just gonna have a blast. This is gonna be
Yeah.
the summer of
Yeah,
amazing
yeah.
travel. So I'm so
pumped.
excited
Yeah.
about that.
Anyway, we are going to try to figure out some dinner right now. Jude, what should we do?
Pizza.
Pizza.
He had
Of
pizza
course,
every
he would pizza.
single
He would eat
day.
pizza every meal. Chinese food, Indian food. Oh yeah, that'd be good. Maybe we should do like a mukbang. I think it's called a mukbang,
Yeah.
where we like
Haven't done that
eat
in a while.
all of the different foods.
Yeah, or maybe this summer when all the kids are together because Reese isn't here and then Liam's not here. So
that's true. Yeah,
um,
it is
we could
super
do that
weird,
soon.
like having like two less kids here right now. Like
Feels
I'm like,
very
why does it
different.
feel so like empty in this
I
RV
know.
right
We
now?
only have 5 kids right now, guys. It's crazy.
It's kind of crazy, but anyway,
more?
he's got that
He's got the salad.
ranch. He wants some ranch because he's my kid, and that's a food group. If you're a Miller, ranch is a food group. But anyway, we love you guys. Can't wait to see you next time. And we'll
Here,
see you
Ethan
later.
wants to show you guys this
Oh
real
yeah.
quickly.
Yeah.
Look at this
What do you
cool
got?
card. It says
What?
Happy Father's Day.
That is super
I want to do a quick
cool.
shout out because this brand has sent us stuff multiple times. It's from
Yeah.
Love Pop, and
Yeah.
they have the coolest cards. I wanted to say thank you to
That
them
is
because
cool,
we've gotten
yeah.
some really cool stuff from them.
That's awesome. Yeah.
You want a
He's
salad?
like, give me
He's
that
ready to
salad.
eat. Okay.
Mom has a salad,
I do
and
have a
she is
salad.
being super healthy and super, excited
I mean,
about all
it's got
that.
Nashville hot chicken.
But
on
if I had to guess, you're only going to get about a third of that.
it. No, I'm gonna eat it really fast.
Because these are all going to be like, give me a salad. Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys.
All right, guys. We'll see you later.
We love you so much. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Thank you. Say bye bye.
Wow, that was a big one.
For your name's sake, you will lead me